Set in pleasant and peaceful surroundings, the grounds of Séquoia Parc camping resort extend for 110 acres around its chateau. Experience a well-being only Mother Nature can provide in a magnificent natural environment blessed with luxuriant vegetation. Our quality rental accommodation for 4 to 7 people ensures peace and quiet and top-class amenities, all in a relaxed atmosphere. Young or not so young, take advantage of the relaxed environment to participate in your favorite sport or try new activities. And for the little ones, there's our Mini Bow Children's Club. They're going to love it. Take the time to go sightseeing and discover the rich local cultural heritage. You're sure to appreciate the region's authentic character. At the end of your day, dine in our restaurant. Children will be able to discover the joys of theatre makeup and costume, followed by a stage performance to delight their parents. Camping Séquoia Parc, more than a campsite, it's a lifestyle.